So our engineering team will work with the customer. I mean, we've got software like SolidWorks. We can demonstrate to the customer how it's going to run on the machine by demonstrating on the SolidWorks, maybe Teams. Or they can come, if they're in local, they can come in-house, they can come and see or meet our team. So we're a very family-oriented company and everyone's welcome.
Posithread have been making turning tools and inserts for a long time now, all in-house. But you guys make stuff for a standard catalog. You also make specials to design from customers.
Yes.
What is that? What kind of special parts do you make?
So we do offer a premium service where, we've got some customers that they need an insert or an end mill or a form tool, pour tool it's not off the shelf, and they need a custom product. So here at Posithread, we can take those drawings from the customer. We can then take it to the engineers. The engineers will design something for them. Maybe a special dovetail, could be a special thread form or grooving tool, or even an end mill pour tool like we discussed. And then what the engineering team will then do is produce a drawing that will then go to the customer. They can then approve it if it's to their spec and what they want. And then we can go forward and get it on the machines, get it made within 10 days, 10 to 14 days.
And you've got a really strong background in producing components to a really productive level here in Posithread. It's all done in-house under one roof, right?
Yes, it is. Yeah, everything's done in-house. So we purchase the blanks, the carbide rod, the blanks to make the inserts, and then once the drawing gets approved, we make everything. We grind everything here. We do all the prepping, everything that needs the cleaning, and then when it's on the machines as well, we've also got this machine here that we can dress the wheels. A lot of our competitors, they have to send the wheels out because they don't have this kit. So we can dress everything in-house, and then as the machines are running, the next wheel can be prepared. Can get prepped for the next job that's going to get on.
Fantastic. So all of the experience, but also the machinery comes together at Posithread to help reduce the lead time for a customer. But why is it important for customers to get those lead times down for special components?
Because predominantly a lot of the time with specials, it's an instant need. The customer needs it. Because a lot of the time they might not have factored in that they needed a custom tool. They might have thought that had a tool, then they go and look for the tool, it's not there or it's damaged. So a lot of customers need that instant turnaround when it comes to specials. But yeah, at Posithread, we can even offer a premium service as well, where we can get it done within the 7 days. And that lead time we can agree with you. If both parties have got to agree to that. But that's definitely something we can do here as well. So our engineering team will work with the customer. I mean, we've got software like SolidWorks. We can demonstrate to the customer how it's going to run on the machine by demonstrating on the SolidWorks, maybe Teams. Or they can come, if they're in local, they can come in-house, they can come and see or meet our team. So we're a very family-oriented company and everyone's welcome.
And once parts have been made on the shop floor, how important is inspection, even with special inserts as well?
So we do have a state-of-the-art inspection facility here, that everything's 100% inspected. What we also have is an oil filtration system, a center filtration that oil goes through, so the oil maintains a certain temperature. So that also keeps our quality up. It says you have no fluctuations in heat, oil consistency. It's all exactly the same on every single machine. So we are able to maintain that quality.
Yeah, I'm sure that makes it easier for the inspection department to know that they're going to be able to pass off the inserts.
Yeah.
And here you guys have got two brand new machines helping to make a completely different type of product as well at Posithread.
Yeah, so the past 2 years, Posithread has been investing a lot. And most recent purchase has been our two brand new anchors here. And there, we can concentrate now on custom round tools.
Yeah, so that's more of for milling customers. And what do you mean by round tools? Do you mean end mills, drills? What do you mean?
So with that, we can make custom end mills. We can make custom pour tools. Anything that's on a round shank, we can now provide with customers as well.
And if people are interested in finding out more about what kind of specialized products you can make for them, whether it be for turning or for milling, how can they get in touch?
So any inquiries you have, you can contact me directly on LinkedIn if need be, at Karl Henderson, or you can contact our sales at posithread.co.uk. We'll have a form for you to fill out and we'll go from there and we'll take care of you.